description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that comes by way of Noodle Journey. They've got a channel over on YouTube, here on YouTube, check them out, cool stuff. Samyang, Cootiq, Cook the Unique, Mala Cream Pasta. Sounds good. So we add the flake. And that's what this is. And we add the noodle into the boiling water. It says 3 to 5 minutes. I'm splitting the difference. We're going to do it for 4 and you get to watch. So, as you can see by today's intro, snow. We got more snow. We had snow the other day. It's another day past that and we have more snow. Took the kids down to the place to go when it snows. That's nearby and not a parking lot that's gross and nasty. Although it's a new condo they're building and they're almost done with it, but the little playground and stuff is already done, so people are using it. I was at first I'm thinking they're gonna chase us out of there. It's probably only gonna be for residents, but no, so far so good. So happily that has not happened. But yeah, we got a lot more tonight. It's the second, almost all the snow had disappeared yesterday. So we had tons of snow in the morning yesterday. It's weird, it's Thursday. It really feels like Friday. But we had tons of snow in the morning, and then it all but melted. And then come last night, it started to snow again. And while we were asleep, in the wee hours, very wee, I'm guessing it just dumped even more. So we ended up yesterday with a bunch of powdery stuff. Today we had a lot of wet snow on the ground. Oh boy, very wet snow. Let me tell you, it's the wettest snow you've ever seen. So wet. Oh God. They don't, anyway, yeah, a lot of wet snow, and we went down there, we had fun. I did some, I grabbed the GoPro and threw that in my pocket with the explicit rule to the kids, please, for the love of God, don't throw any snow at me because that thing is just in my pocket, and I don't want it to get wet. I've been having a big computer problem lately that's been driving me insane, and I think I tracked it down to Photoshop, and I don't know why. But I noticed when I killed Photoshop and I tried doing other things, everything works great. As soon as I put Photoshop back on, I try to go and open a file, and it glitches. It hangs and lags for a good couple seconds, and the mouse slows down. I'm generally the mouse doesn't slow down for anything. It's I'm trying to move the mouse across the screen or move the mouse around, and it literally all of a sudden slows down. And everything I could see about that is change the batteries. Well, it's a corded mouse, so there's no batteries. The other one was change the batteries, and there was change the DPI setting of your mouse, clean your mouse pad. That was my favorite one. But no, it only happens when it's accessing certain files or just opening directories and stuff. Really driving me nuts. It's just when I was before I figured that out this morning, I brought all the footage that I shot, like for the intro and the outro of this one. You should check out the outro too. But what I found was that just to like open the files and copy them, there was such a lag. It was like taking 15 seconds just to open the folder. So it's like, why is this getting worse and worse and worse? I wonder if it has to do with where my temp directory is for Photoshop. I really don't know. I'm gonna try a couple things, but I spent a lot of time on that computer, and I don't like when it seems like something is wrong with my equipment like that. That's no good. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna drain the noodle. I remember the other one said save a little bit of water if you want, so that's what I'm doing. Make it more saucy. God, I've been doing like reviews every day of the week for 2 or 3 weeks now. And it's like now I'm thinking like, man, I need to change the music. It's already into June for the show. This is review number 5,255. So, yeah. Past my birthday, past my wife's birthday. I'm getting almost, I believe, to the 2,500th episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thank you very much. There's our sounds. I wonder how this is going to be versus the Toowoomba one was. The Toowoomba one was okay. I don't know. I like Rose Bulldog. I'm not such a fan of this Toowoomba thing. It seems it's gotten very popular very quickly. From Outback Steakhouse. I still think it's funny. They have Outback Steakhouses in Australia. That just seems wrong. It's like having a Thai restaurant in Thailand. I don't know. I went to a Thai restaurant in Taiwan. That place was rad. You know what they do? They bring this thing that looks like a huge ashtray. It's like a pedestal. And they bring it next to your table. It's full of rice, like cooked rice. You just take the lid off and grab some rice. Mala cream. Let's hit it. That I like. That I like a lot. Nice heat level. Didn't I just use this the other day? I don't care. I know I didn't use it for this. Yeah, this one I may have to have for lunch. Although the next two are going to be pretty fascinating as well. But yeah, I like this. Boy, oh boy. I'm hoping tonight gonna get some more. Oh, come on, sun. Mr. Yellow Sun, stay the hell away from my pretty picture spot. There we go. It's got a nice sweetness, a nice heat. This makes me think of rose, like the way it should be. This is good. There's one more, which is a truffle pasta I'll be trying soon. So this Cootiq range is interesting. Oh, that's right. Sorry, I forgot about Rotato and its difficulty. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. You've got your regular batteries, and then you've got this compartment, which holds, rather snugly, this is an 18650 battery. They're big. So I have a charger that I have these things in. Voila. And that is that. It should be working again. We'll test it for a moment. Yeah, it's funny. It has that option, and then it has your standard AAA option. I'd rather use the rechargeables than shell out money for AAAs, even though they're freaking cheap on Amazon. There we go. See? But yeah, that was kind of a weird ending, so thank you for bearing with me. The next one you're going to see is this. This is another beefy one. This is a beef shoyu, Kasahara beef shoyu, and this came out of an Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. When you see this, yeah, I believe it'll be a 15% discount. That's pretty good. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Watch the next show. Like, subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.